Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML language. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundational language for creating web pages. It provides the structure for all content you see online. You'll start by understanding the basic document structure, which includes the doc type declaration and the root HTML element. Inside, the head element holds metadata, while the body element contains all the visible content like text, images, and videos. Once you grasp the basic structure, you'll dive into core HTML elements. Headings, from H1 to H6, are crucial for content hierarchy and search engine optimization. Paragraphs, denoted by the P tag, are your coda for blocks of text. You'll learn to create links using the tag, connecting your page to other web resources, embedding images with the img tag, and organizing information with ordered and unordered lists are also fundamental skills. Next, you'll explore how to structure your content effectively using semantic HTML, which adds meaning to your page. Elements like header, nav, main, and footer help organize your layout. You'll also learn about div and span for general grouping and styling. A significant part of web interaction comes from forms. You'll master creating input fields, text areas, and buttons to gather user information, understanding different input types, and form submission methods. To become proficient, always follow best practices. Validating your HTML ensures your code is clean and adheres to web standards, preventing unexpected issues. Focus on accessibility from the start, making your content usable for all individuals. After mastering HTML, your next steps involve learning CSS for styling and JavaScript for dynamic interactivity. Remember, consistent practice, by building small projects, is the most effective way to solidify your knowledge and skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.